Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone. Today we're going to learn about clause. Before that, I would like to introduce our group. The first one is me, Metalanisa Yuliana, and my friend Vivi Rohani. And let's go to the materi. Definition of clause. Clause is a group of words containing a subject and verb. Jadi, klausa adalah gabungan dari beberapa kata yang mengandung a subject and verb atau kata kerja. Subject can be a person, animal, things, concept, and etc. And predicate can be verb or auxiliary verbs plus verb without additional words to complete the meaning of the clause. This is the example. Subject she, Sarah, and predicate of verb is cooks and is sleeping. Type of clause. Clause has two types. They are independent clause and dependent clause. Independent clause is a clause that can stand alone and has a complete meaning. Jadi, independent clause itu adalah klausa yang dapat berdiri sendiri dan mempunyai makna yang penuh atau lengkap. Jadi, dia dapat berdiri sendiri. And dependent clause is a clause that can stand alone and has an incomplete meaning. Kalau independent clause itu tidak dapat berdiri sendiri karena mempunyai makna yang belum selesai atau masih menggantung. Pattern dari independent clause itu mempunyai subjek dan predikat. Harus memiliki subjek dan predikat. Example of independent clause. I like that bag. I is a subject, like is a verb, and this is has a complete meaning, yaitu saya suka tas itu. And second example, I buy a new book. I is a subject and buy is a verb, has a complete meaning too, yaitu saya membeli buku baru. And example of dependent clause. Before the bell ring. Before is a subordinating conjunction. The meaning is incomplete. Jadi di dependent clause itu maknanya itu belum lengkap. Jadi dia tidak bisa berdiri sendiri dan harus digabungkan dengan kata lain atau ke independent clause. Nah, kalau independent clause dan dependent clause digabungkan itu akan membentuk beberapa sentence. The first one is a compound sentence. A compound sentence is made up of two independent clauses joined by a coordinating conjunction and a comma or by a semicolon alone. Jadi compound sentence itu terdiri dari dua independent clause yang digabungkan dengan coordinating conjunction dan koma atau dengan semicolon alone. Semicolon itu titik koma. Coordinating conjunction for, and, nor, but, or, yet, and so. Example of compound sentence. My brother wants to live in his own house, but he doesn't have enough money to buy a house. My brother until house, it is an independent clause joined by but coordinating conjunction, and he doesn't have enough money to buy a house. This is an independent clause. Jadi sekali lagi compound sentence itu terdiri dari dua independent clause yang digabungkan dengan coordinating conjunction. And the next is complex sentence. A complex sentence combines a dependent clause with an independent clause that combine with the subordinating conjunction. Nah, jadi complex sentence itu merupakan kombinasi antara a dependent clause dengan independent clause yang dihubungkan dengan subordinating conjunction. Dan apa sih subordinating conjunction itu? Nah, ini adalah subordinating conjunction. After, although, as, when, while, until, because, before, if, and since. This is the example. Because the soup was too cold, I warmed it in the microwave. Because is a subordinating conjunction. This is conjunction. And the soup was too cold. This is the independent clause. And I warmed it in the microwave. This is a dependent clause. So it combines a dependent clause with an independent clause that combine with the subordinating conjunction yang dihubungkan dengan subordinating conjunction. And the last is a compound complex sentence. A compound complex sentence is comprised of at least two independent clauses and one or more dependent clause. Jadi, compound complex sentence itu terdiri dari kurang lebih dua independent clause dan satu atau lebih dependent clause. For example, Laura forgot her friend's birthday, so she sent her card when she finally remembered. Laura forgot her friend's birthday is an independent clause, and so she sent her card. This is a dependent clause, and when she finally remembered, this is also dependent clause. So in compound complex sentence, once again memiliki satu atau lebih independent clause dan satu atau lebih juga dependent clause. So this is the ending of our lesson today, and thanks for your attention, and Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.